Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our Business Idea Generator template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the Business Idea Generator option. This flow allows you to generate a unique business idea tailored to your specific preferences based on the input you provide. You can customize various aspects of the idea, such as the industry, market demand, business model, and even the level of innovation. It's a versatile tool that's perfect for entrepreneurs, startups, or anyone looking to brainstorm new business concepts. Whether you need a quick idea or a more detailed business plan concept, this flow saves you time by generating clear, actionable ideas that are aligned with your goals. There's a full video on how you can create this flow for yourself, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.